Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw ruined catnap. First, let's get started with the eye, and we're going to draw this on a diagonal. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for our right eye. Moving into the top left corner now, we're going to draw in a smaller circle for the highlight of the eye. Moving in towards the middle of this now, for the nose, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the left. To the left of this, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line arching in towards the middle. And now from here, we're going to start by curving this around and back in towards our eye. Let's draw in the eye socket up above now. So we're going to draw in a half circle, curving this around and then down on the right. Let's move across and on a diagonal now, we're going to draw in the left eye socket. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle, curving this all the way around, and then back up as we come in towards the top. For the mouth now, on the bottom to the right of the nose, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll continue to extend this out and over on the right hand side. Coming up on the left hand side now, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then up. Now on the left hand side, starting in the corner, we're going to curve this line down, pushing this around and in towards the middle. And then on our right hand side in the corner, we're going to again curve this around, blending that in on the bottom line. On the top, we're going to curve this line out. Starting at that point, we're going to curve that back around and in. To the left of this now, we're going to curve that out and then back up for the bottom. On the top now, in the middle on a diagonal, we're going to start by curving this line around and then down to close off the top of the head. And then starting in the center again, we're going to curve this line back around and then down on the right. Now from here on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then down. We're going to draw in a sideways letter V. We're going to draw another small curved line, arching that in. Moving in towards the center, we're going to curve this line around and then out. On the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then in the corner again, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Let's move over towards the left-hand side now. So moving up on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line around. And we're going to bring this underneath our mouth in the middle. We'll continue to extend this across now. So starting on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Let's draw in the ears now. So on the right-hand side, on the inside, we're going to curve this line over and out. From this point, we're going to curve this line around and then in. We'll draw in a sideways letter V like we did on the cheek. And then from that corner, we're going to continue to extend this down. On the inside, let's curve this line out. And then starting at the point, we're going to curve this line around and back in. Let's move up on a diagonal now. So leaving a small space, we're going to curve this line around and then out. And then starting at that point, we're going to curve this over and back in. In the middle, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. And then from that corner, we're going to curve that around and back down. Let's draw in the feet now. So coming down on a diagonal towards the right, we're going to draw in a nice big oval for the bottom of the foot. Let's leave quite a big gap coming over towards the left-hand side, and we'll replicate that. On the right-hand side on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from that point, we're going to curve this back around and then in. And then on the inside, we're going to draw a curved line from top to bottom. Let's move over towards our left leg now. So lining this up at the same height, we're going to curve this line around and then down. From here now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. On the top, we'll replicate that, curving that around and then in. And then again, curving that out and in towards the corner. We'll just make sure that line connects there. And then now from here on the outside, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. And then now let's draw a curved line from top to bottom like we did on the right side. We're going to draw a little bit more stuffing here, so we're going to curve this line around and in. Arching that over and down. And now one last time on the bottom. Let's close off the bottom of the body with a curved line from left to right now. For the torso on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And we'll do the same thing over on the right. Let's step across now for the arm. We're going to curve that over and out on both sides. In the center now, we're going to draw in the moon symbol. So we're going to draw in the letter C in the middle. In the corner, we're going to curve this line around, bringing this all the way over and back up on the right-hand side. Let's draw in a little patch here. So we're going to draw in a small square. So we're going to draw 2 straight lines that come down on either side, ending those at the same height. And now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line across. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw 2 lines that come across. One that comes down in the middle, and then another one that comes across on the right. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in the tail. So beside the foot, we're going to arch this line around and then in. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up and then out. We'll draw this diagonal line in and then back out. And now from that point, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in. And now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw an arch line, curving that down. And that is it. That's how you draw ruined catnap. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.